Custom-built duplex with 2 bedroom/2 bath on each side in Algood City Limits. Duplex was built for a parent to reside in and has all the added amenities during the construction that will make this rental opportunity one that will offer long-term rentals. This duplex offers an open floor plan with vaulted ceilings in family room and kitchen area that is fully equipped with appliances. Master bedroom is spacious and offers a walk-in closet. Walk-in laundry in both units. Unit A has a lease until June 2022 and Unit B is month-to-month. Tenants pay for all utilities and seller provides the lawn maintenance. Units are handicap accessible and ADA approved. Added insulation in both units provides tenants with very low utility bills. Walls have sound barriers installed in order that noise is never a problem. Stained concrete floors and carpet. Each side has a carport.